You are still live at Imandeni Lockdown House Party, guys, and you are rolling with Usicelo Wakazungu. Kodwa manje sengihleli noSithandwa, guys, like ngihleli noSithandwa on the Facebook page. We know her as Cooking with uNonsi. Simazi as uSithandwa on the Facebook page. uSithandwa sami uhleli nami namhlanje la kwiMandeni Lockdown House Party noSicelo Wakazungu. Unontsikelelo Nxumalo. Mkhatshwa unjani sisi wami namhlanje?
Kusiyani ngiyaphila usuthe nje Sithandwa vele ithandwa zami ithandwa zami one way bro, I'm telling you all day.
Showcase. Thanks for having you here on the Sunday show fethu kwiMandeni Lockdown House Party. Yabo, every Sunday it's another blessing. It's another black child on the show,
another
on the set.
Day, bro.
Yabo,
another year.
Blessing, yabo na face, yabo. Just before siqhubeka kakhulu ngicela ukusanitize siswami before we get to know more about uNontsikelelo.
I like the size of the sanitizer though. It's amazing.
God, yes, isebenza le sanitize.
I'm actually not talking about the inside, I'm just talking about the bottle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. uNontsikelelo simazi as chef.
Yes.
We motivational speaker out there. Wednesday nyingi. But before we get into the good stuff uNontsikelelo, I just want to know abantini baseMandeni abangamazi uNontsikelelo grand. Come up uNontsikelelo from eMandeni moving to abroad. I-team uNontsikelelo.
I will guess that I was born in Durban and I got at home in Mandeni when I was 3 months.
Sure.
And then after that, I went to Isithebe Primary School,
sure,
where I studied Amabanga Phansi until standard 1. Then we moved to Kwamashu. After Kwamashu was Inanda. After Inanda was Richards Bay. And then I moved to Europe. But Imandeni has always been at home.
Okay.
Ekhomendini.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure you know it. We always go there. But I think 6 years ago, we moved back to Emandeni, which right now we live at Ekhomeni.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm so proud we should be what's Emandeni. As much as, of course, I live overseas, but Emandeni, and I'm proud of it.
Sure. But uNontsikelelo, i-profession, i-career yakhe, chef career, like siyazi ukuthi ushaya ibhodwe, but masengibona kwi-page lakho and from your team, like a team we were being communicating through your managers and all that, i-team yakho.
Yes.
Ukuthola ukuthi you're also a motivational speaker. Like how did you come about that? Like isuka phi leyo nto, like lo that selflessness ukuthi uvedane uthi say I'm going to go out, put out abantu by encourage, especially women, other black women as you yourself a young black woman.
Yeah, I will say that, you know, for a longest time, and my friends know, I have tried not to call myself a chef because I kept saying, hey, no, I need to wear my degree. I need to get my degree before I can call myself a chef.
Yeah.
Which I thought, as a person who motivates people,
yeah,
I need to believe in myself and call myself a chef because I can cook. And then the motivation part, which I'm not scared to say I'm a motivation speaker. I don't know why I'm proud to say that, but I think it's because the experience that I have, or the people that I've been with, especially overseas, they live totally different from abantu South Africa. In South Africa, abantu, they are more about, you know, there's people abane stress sokuthi omunye umuntu wenza ukuthi ubani wenza ukuthi, which is totally wrong. You can't carry ikhwama zabanye abantu to yourself, you know. Snaking as a song. Then I used to just sit and watch ukuthi hibo. Why abantu benze kanjena fethu? And ngokwami, I didn't know I was going to be motivating people. I just came with this thing of, I want to tell people that, lalela, if you're doing your hair and you want to be pink, you shouldn't listen to someone else telling you, ayi wena unamanhlonto you can't be pink, ayi wena unesphongo, ayi ngeke mfethu into zakho iqala lana uNicki Minaj ungakwenza ukuthi uba ukhokhile. It's my money, it's mine. It's either uyanqoma or you back off.
Oh, yeah.
So I wanted to spread that, especially I even have this word saying inkomfa, it's confidence, you know.
Yeah.
I want people to have confidence, and I don't want to like angifuna ukuvayela amadoda ngaphandle, because I do tell women as well that indoda nayo kumele iphathe kanje, indoda nayo umuntu, because most of us now we so defensive over abantu besifazane, and we forget abantu besilisa. Na abantu besilisa ngiyabafaka. It's just that ku social media abantu ababuye bang attack abantu besilisa, and then you know, I get to that women defensive mood, and then I'm just like all about women, because when they come for me, I'm like, kahle siqamfana don't joy like chilla bra, chilla. You know, and I'm not gonna be scared to say this, Lana, because if you do watch my videos, I do say makufika umuntu wesisa ngivele ngithi kahle pichana, ima bra, kahle bra and kahle.
Yeah, well, what you understand available once you start talking, you just go all the way. Yeah, well, which comes to singifisana nokwazi ukuthi ukurealizeni ukuthi you have this voice, because like so like from what I get it about uNontsikelelo Nxumalo, she has this big voice, and sometimes when my team had me to phone your team, and bese bengixhumanisa now, I was kind of like intimidated to say, you know, why is it about big ganje and I have voice, and like you're still like a woman, and yeah, but like realize of it's your voice, because it's amplified. Realizing you're all that.
I think into engipushe kakhulu ukuthi ngibe ne voice, it's because abantu besifazane ba abuseka emotionally, physically, bengakhulumi, and ngasho ukuthi strength sami suka to my past relationships engiwatholile, and kungenza ukuthi ngifuna ukusho kumuntu wesifazane ukuthi you're beautiful, you don't need to stay with relationship because of love, you know. You're more than love, you're more than that. And enye into ngasho ukuthi the more I was doing it, the more ngibe brave more, you know. Social media kunabantu abanenkinga, and then when you are alive bafuna ukukhipha inkinga zakho kuwena. Lokho kungimotivateile mfethu ukuthi ngikwazi ukusho ukuthi bra, you need to heal. We will pray for you to get another job if you lost your job and then you come. I've been attacked a lot because of having so much tattoos. Ngibizwa ngama-satanist and stuff like that. And lokho kungenza ukuthi ngifunda ukuthi ngibe more, you know, like I am in your face. Why you don't scroll up? Ngiyachaza, that's why you staying. Yabo, the fact ukuthi uyangibuka uze comment ebhedayo iyachazeka.
You're already attracted to ukuthi bengizothini.
Exactly, ufuna ukubona more.
Sure, so now but ngibuka ilokhuzane le clip yakho emotional abuse. Were mentioning a book, and I was looking at your followers. They were like, I say, Nontsikelelo, a book. Just in passing, should we expect a book from Nontsikelelo, or are you already writing? What's up with that?
My manager, because you know, when you come in this industry and then everything just happens so fast, you want to do everything because you're thinking, hey, I'm going to make money everywhere, you know? And my manager just told me, you know, chill, relax, you know, do things in steps. But what I will tell you is that most people are expecting me to make a cooking book or a cookbook. That's not what you're going to get first. There is so much things and there is so much things that I want people to know, but right now I just don't want to say it on my videos. I'm going to put it in a book, and trust me, it will blow everyone's mind. You will literally like faint when I write about me, you know.
I just can't imagine what you'll be talking about on the book. But apart from me being a motivational speaker, having this big roaring voice from such a small person, I was saying
no, most people when they see me, they're shocked. They're shocked.
You're small, but you're big. Yeah, well, so your chef, like your career, industry of being a chef. I want to know more ukuthi uhleleni uNontsikelelo, what's ukuthi ubhizi ngani, kadulaphi, uphekaphi mfethu sithini.
I'm based in Europe. It's a small populated country which is called Finland. It's very close to Germany. We are like 2 hours away, and maybe 3 hours away from France with the plane. And omakhelwane bethu, it's Sweden, Russia, and those close places like Norway.
Oh, yeah.
But my videos are in Zulu, of course, and all my plans are based in South Africa.
Yeah.
In future, I wish to have a cooking school, and I would love to make it like Emandeni, since ngibona ukuthi nina guys ni right kangakanani. Ngizokunika le push nale kick le engidingayo. Nanokukhulisa imandeni ke nje. So my plans are most people want me to have a restaurant, but I'm not planning yet to have a restaurant. I want to have schools. I want to have a makreshi, because I also have a page that it's called Mjonjo Kids. It's only for kids and the mothers. It's actually a private group. And I want to have ikreshi, and I want ikreshi to be as classy as European crashes, and I'm hoping Uguti it won't be pricey or it will be for free, because I want to help people. Yes, the restaurant izos kodwa incwadi ke hayi lalela bra incwadi nje iseyithendeni nje wakhuluma nawe
iseyithendeni incwadi. Okay, since uLokhuzane uNontsikelelo is in South Africa right now, at home, for those who don't know, uNontsikelelo, by the way, is an international chef. Yabo, in Finland, Leila based coin. But since you're here at home, the motherland, uNontsikelelo yabona ukuthi uhlelile ukuthi uzobupheka Joburg, Durban, Stanger, so, but lathi nafethe Mandeni uzosiphekela nini ithini event mfethu ozosilethela yona la eMandeni uhlelelele nje nini, and what style of cooking should we expect from uNontsikelelo anyway, people from Joburg, Durban, anyway, like specialize a lot
la ekhaya. I know we say kaya, but I am more a European style. You have to be invited, to cook, or to visit someone, But I was thinking and hoping ukuthi like kaya sizoba ngomhla 28 November. I was hoping ukuthi nani kodwa it's something esiphekiwayo, and as soon as sifinaliziwe I'm going to tell people. Ngomhla I think it was 31st of October I was in Johannesburg, and I would love to thank everyone for his support. Buffet too yazi nale khaziment everineze nje ukuthi nithi thapo ngibabonge kakhulu. Kade ngikashisa nyama in Richards Bay ku $130 drive, and it was amazing. November I'm gonna be around everywhere in South Africa. I still have a gig at Durban, 4, 5, 6 in Musgrave, which I'm still selling tickets. They are 360. So if you are interested, and I think after this event I'm going to Cape Town. I'm not thinking, I am going to Cape Town, because my fans from Cape Town have asked me a lot, and usually when I come to SA I always have trips to Cape Town before I go to Europe. So I think after the event in Durban I'm going to go to Cape Town. And then about the cooking, I am battling a little bit with the spices in SA, because they're totally different from what we use in Europe, which is okay, but I will say that I would like to stick in my style. Angena umuntu ophuthu or inhloko or umuntu osu nelayisi, but no, I make meat bethu ngiyayenza inyama kuba grand yonke into. Ngingasho ukuthi ngiwumuntu bethu wamabheka, ngiwumuntu bethu walezinto ethi muyibuka ebhukwini uthi like wow yini ke le. Exactly, mina ngiyayenza ipizza ye-rice, i-crust kube yi-rice, ngiyayenza ipizza yezambane, yabo lonto leyo. And nina manenza ipizza, nenza ipizza ka flour. Hayi bra, siyaplap zobuya noba ama-nucleus kushayela ipizza mina manje, yabo lonto leyo. So you should expect ukuthi uzodla into emnandi, kodwa into ejwayele ukidla ukungukuthi kuphela indlela yenziwe ngayo izokushaya phansi.
So ungadidiswa i-presentation, yayazi lento and it's still nice. The bottom line ukuthi i-blind ushaya into e-blind.
Kodwa I don't want to lie, sengike ngabona ipapa and there's so many things ezozenza ngepapa kodwa engingayijwayele nina. Kodwa ngizokuhlobele ngepapa kodwa kusalayo.
Awupheleke ipapa ke njengabaZulu siyashaya ke na ipapa nenyama, into zethu lezo bafethu.
Hayi ngiyakubona phela ukuthi hayi ngiyayibona inhloko lapha kuMamaseli ukuthi ayenzile bethu enze mlengo.
Okay, now you're putting me on a spot like that.
No man, nami lokhu ngifikile. I don't want to lie to you. I-breakfast lami ngifuna kube yigwinya, ngithanda ukuthi kube yigwinya.
Sure.
Inhloko, as you guys bought me one. Ngicela ukusho lokho ukuthi bangithengele inhloko, you guys don't understand. Doesn't understand. Bese kuba na alcohol is not the same. We don't have Savannah, we don't have Eat Dry, we don't have Amapenini and stuff like that. And when I come to SA, people know ukuthi ngibiza utshwala ngojwejwe, bra ngiyajwejweza. When I get a chance, ngiyajwejweza. Hayibo, let me show you here. This is written Jwejwe Kali.
Jwejwe Kali.
Yes, because I use this term a lot. When I talk about alcohol, I just call it Ujwejwe, and when I get
Sure.
I don't want to say drunk. When I get in that place, I'm Jwejwe Kali.
Okay, but moving on, I want to know, since you are in SA, usekaya, how do we go about at booking Unonsigelelo if you want to cook with Unonsi? How do we go about? Because we like, I'm sure we want to see you busy, sifuna kuwo wonke amakhishi fethu.
Unonsi, cooking with Nonsi on Facebook, and I am also cooking with Nonsi on Instagram, and please follow and like our page. And we also have a YouTube channel, and it's also cooking with Nonsi. But if you would like to book, we have 2 WhatsApp numbers, but I'm gonna say one of them.
All right.
And if I can't answer you, I will basically give you another WhatsApp number, which is also like my team and my manager. Then you can get them because I'm a very busy person. But if you like to call for bookings, I charge 800 for a house call. But if you are far away and you are more than like 3 people, then I make the price more down because there's a lot of people, I will give you the number, which is a South African number. Once I go back in Europe, I don't use that number anymore. It's 063 093 3358. And on WhatsApp, ngiyacela abantu besilisa ungangeni WhatsApp umuzo ngishela bakithi, please. Don't slide in my DM.
Don't slide.
Do not slide.
It's not going down. It's not going down.
I am more of a person ohamba emcimbini and then I can eye someone, yabo. Kodwa muslide kwi DM, I'm like, ubaningi manje lona.
Sure.
Kodwa ku WhatsApp ngiu +358, and please ngicela ungawukhohlwa +358 44 98183737. If ungangizwanga kahle, please forwarda uphinde ushone emuva uphinde ushone ngala, kodwa ngakuphindela keke ngiyachaza ngisho ngikhuluma bakwethu. +358 44 98183737.
Sure.
That's WhatsApp.
That's for WhatsApp.
Yes.
So so abantu, they can get you on WhatsApp or hit you up.
They can also call me.
But it's not going down on a DM, guys. It's not that type of party.
Exactly. You know what happens? People just come and say, it's because when you came with
because you came with another party. When it's a lockdown party, we're keeping it locked. Come on, guys.
Wait for us to come out. Wait for us to come out, Petu.
But now, jokes aside, Petu, I've been saying this, like, aksamnant manj looking isholent, keep on asking this to my guests, my artists, and as a team, manje, we also trying to build a certain campaign, but we're still working on it. It's still early stages for it.
Yes.
This thing of gender-based violence, ukuhlukumezwa kwabantu besifazane, ukuhlukumezwa kwey'ngane, and la eMandeni alone, we here and there we experience violence, taxi violence, that violence, or nje yabo kubi. Not a couple of weeks ago, bekune march towards abuse of women and children as well. Phinde kutholakale abantu yabo ezimeni engekho right. When Unonsigelelo, she has this big voice, and you've been pushing abantu besifazane, you've been motivating on that side, but with this one, where do you stand? Like, how do we go about ukuthi encourage ukuthi slow down the spread of gender-based violence?
Kulokho nje nami myself ngiyasaba since ngifikile. I even thought of moving my tickets so that I can run away from it, which is very wrong because this is home. I shouldn't feel in that type of a way.
Sure.
But I think in my part, sometimes kuba nemoto ekumelayo kube nobhuti ozokuncoma akuncome and then you get that attention.
Sure.
Ebese uyangena phakathi. Mina on my part I would say ukuthi I am trying to tell women that they are beautiful. You shouldn't just get happy for anyone or okumelayo anyone okuncomayo. Uma uzazi ukuthi umuhle, you just need to ignore it and just walk away kunokuthi uthathe. But kunama situations engiwaziyo nami ukuthi kuvele kufika umuntu esathu umuntu amfake umuntu emotweni and bra it's very bad. Mina ngokwami ngizokusho lokho ngingaqhaqhazeli of which umbono wami angidingi ukuthi mhlawumbe omunye umuntu angijudge kuwona. Ngicabanga ukuthi South Africa idinga ukubuyisa isigwebo sentambo. I think isigwebo sentambo lesi ukuthi umuntu ashone. Kodwa ke nje although kuyangisabisa ngoba kunabantu besifazane abadlala ngabantu besilisa. Bathi umdlengilile bathi umenze kanje kodwa I think ukuthi bangabuyelwa kubuyisela isigwebo sentambo mhlawumbe obunye ubugebengu bungathi ukuthi abantu bamaza ngaphandle bethu they just get here benza into abayithandayo and they can get away with it. Mangaba nesigwebo sentambo kuzophunguka mfethu yonke lento eyenzayo. Ngizokwenza nje isibonelo bazongixolela nkosami abalandela lo umfundisi angazi Abshiri or Shiri or do you know him? Angazi kuthiwa right now case uskemile abantu abanjalo.
Sure.
South Africa le guys engizokusho lokho South Africa umuntu nomuntu uyakwazi ukuthi ayi voice i-opinion yakhe. Mina isifiso sami engifisa ngathi bangenza ngayo isibonelo. Yabo lonto le because uqola abantu abaningi la eSouth Africa. Ngifisa ukuthi ngiyabathanda abantu bamaza ngaphandle a lot because abawona amavila. Bayadayisa la emgwaqweni of which mina ngiwathenga ama-veg esitolo, ngiwathenga ama-fruits esitolo, angiwathenga amakinati esitolo, ngithenga kubantu bakithi. Ngisho ngakuthiwa akayona ke-South African but we-African. But ngiphatheka kabuhlungu ukuthi kuzokhona abantu abavele bafike baqola abanye abantu la eSouth Africa. Makhona abantu abantshontsha abanye once kwatholakala ukuthi ubani lowo uthike isigwebo sentambo because bayaphuma abantu masibephumile abantu emva kwalokho baqhubeka benza the same thing. So isigwebo sentambo mina ngokwami I think ukuthi singabe sharp umuhle kafethuogrand nje.
Yo, sisami nontsikelelo all the best to your journey, all the best with career yakho and keep it strong. Your voice is powerful fethu like it's super amplified. Angazi ngak-emphasize kangakanani lokho. And stop and like keep on going over to encourage abanye abantu besifazane ukuthi say young women it's doable. Ungavuka uzenzele uyimele wena. You don't need a man like sesiphile nesikhathini sokuthi manje umuntu wesifazane can get up and do it. Like you are your own voice, you are your own person, you black, you beautiful, you brown skin, like what else to say? Like you everything, you blessed, my sister. Come on, just get up, go and do it yourself. Just go look for information, seek information, seek for knowledge, and do your thing. You know your story, my sister. Don't let a brother take you down. It's not like that. As appealing this cutting way, you have to depend on man. You can be your own person. You don't need a man to encourage you. Which is Swami. Your curves are beautiful. Your afro is beautiful. Your skin is it's like pearls. Hamba uyo funa into ifuna. No, it's all up to you. It's all in you. God gave you that. You're still letting man in the lockdown house party. You've been rolling with the Stella Wagazungu, chilling with Sure.
I am very, very proud and super proud of you guys. Ngendlela and creative ngayo. The fact ukuthi nicabangile ukuthi niyenze into kanje. Mina I promise you guys ukhula kwami ukhula kwenu. And I wish ukuthi bengifike nabantu abaningi bezobona but people will see ukuthi into eniyenzile. Like it's amazing guys, it's amazing. Yazi ukuthi baningi abantu abamala emgwaqweni bacela u2 baningi abantu abavele behlale bethi hayi mina bese angisebenzi yabo lonto leyo kumajita alapha ngaphandle. Yazi ukuthi nkosiyami I would tell you guys ngelinye usuku kodwa ngizoba nje mfishane manje into abayenzile ba creative ngenye indlela and I will make sure ukuthi ngiyaphambili nani because I love abantu abazamayo. I love abantu abaziyo ukuthi ukuba ne cellphone phone kuphela yabo lonto le
Say.
ukuthi you guys made a studio kanjena from nothing and now ama sponsors manje and I'm going to make sure ukuthi ama sponsor akhona ayafika. This is big. Enye into engayisho ukuthi mina mhlawumbe eMandeni not ukuthi mhlawumbe iMandeni ayakangazi ngaziwa abanye abantu. There's not a lot of people abazi ukuthi ngase eMandeni kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi ngani sengizokwaziwa eMandeni yonke ukuthi ukhona uNonsi ukhona uChef. So I'm super grateful guys ngalento eniyenzayo. Like it's amazing Bafethu, it's super amazing.
Mostly appreciated Vethu. We super appreciate you Vethu right now, like on from behalf of the team crew yonke, we just want to send the love of it to at home. We also want to send the love at home to you guys watching at home in the comfort of your own space. Which is siyabonga kakhulu guys for your support. Imandeni Lockdown House Party from where it started to where it is right now.
It's going far.
And like guys, you wouldn't believe it. Siyabonga kakhulu for your support. Lento ngabe ayiqhubeki if it wasn't for you guys. Please remember that all time. Usicelo wakazungu ukhona because of you guys. Bengazi kwanami ukuthi I have a voice, but now I'm able to sit here and communicate with you guys and chill with my kids. Njengabo sisi aba njengo Nontikele Lonximalo or Chef about young talented women. Yabo. So thanks to you guys. Please keep on supporting the show. Bring in the numbers asikhuleni Bafethu sikhombise nathi lana emphakathini wangakithi eMandeni ukuthi maningi amakhono singakwenza ngendlela eziningi ezihlukene Vethu. Couple of shows ago we had usisi uNonsi uPlose usisi uPlose.
You love me, eh?
Yeah, uPlose. She showed ukuthi naye what she's capable of. So guys, thank you so much. We love you. Mandeni Lockdown House Party. You are still with the Stella Wakazungu.
Yes, and guys ngiyacela ukuthi ni-expect we're going to have ama competitions amaningi kuyo i-house iMandeni Lockdown House Party. We have so much things ezizayo. So nje like and follow leli page. Usazoba mjonjo, usazoba lithi, usazoba right. Hlala nje kanjalo. Ama airtime ayeza, ama cooking shows, abantu bazobebeza. If uwinile unehempa uzobuyithola khona la. So nje unganyaka sitshela nabangani bakho batshela abangani babo ukuthi sikhona la kwiMandeni Lockdown House Party.
I'll showcase you Vethu lo muntu maseqalile yaqeda yase asamsiyo dance manje. Showcase